In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your games in the NVIDIA application. If you don't have your games, so you can add the games manually in the NVIDIA app. First of all, if you don't have the NVIDIA application, you can just go to the Google and search for nvidia.com, and here you can download the latest version of the NVIDIA app. Just go to the nvidia.com and download the NVIDIA app. So after installing the NVIDIA app, you just need to go to the settings, and after that you'll find the option called games and apps in the settings, and here you'll find the option called scan now. So you just need to click on scan now. So it will scan all the folders of your PC, and after that it will add the games in your NVIDIA application. So just go to the graphics here, and here you'll see all the list of games and applications that use your NVIDIA GPU. So if you don't find the games here, you can just go to the settings again, then go to the scan location option, view and modify. Click on view and modify. And here default you will find your C program and also the file that you want to use that you have currently the game location. So I have game in my F folder, so I had to add the folder and scan it. So if you don't know how to do that, just click on add, and now go to the folder, just select the folder and scan it, and it will add your games. But if it still doesn't work, you can just click on this view and supported games application. After that, it will show you all the list of games that are supported in the NVIDIA application. So if you don't find your game here, maybe NVIDIA application will not support it. But if you find the game here that NVIDIA application should support your game, the last solution is to just uninstall the NVIDIA app. So just go to the search bar, search for settings, then go to the apps here, go to the installed apps and search for NVIDIA, and just uninstall the NVIDIA application, and again just go to the nvidia.com and install it. That should solve your problem. So that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.